Today guys, we are going to be making short crust pastry for savoury pies. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to do this. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple short crust pastry for savoury pies. It's absolutely delicious, it's so simple to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So guys, if this is your first time here, remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my new videos, which are really soon. But guys, we're going to dive straight in. We're going to show you exactly what you need to make this. Everything for this recipe you will need is here. As you can see, I've got a blue egg here. It's the same as the normal egg. Do try and get free range. It's just they look after the chickens a little bit better. So the first thing we want to do is we want to grab some scales and we're going to pop those there and we're going to make sure they're on 0. Just like that. Next thing we want to do is grab a nice big glass bowl and pop that on scales and set that to 0. Then we're going to grab our sieve and we're going to take our flour and we're going to weigh out 240 grams. Lovely, let's pop that back down there. So now that you've got your flour, you can put your scales away. So next thing that we're going to add to our flour is 50 grams of butter. We've got 50 grams of beef dripping here. I'm also going to add a generous pinch of salt. All we're going to do from here is incorporate the fat with the flour and the salt. Just going to roll up our sleeves. So once it looks like this, which is coarse breadcrumbs, we're going to take an egg and a glass bowl and we are going to separate the egg yolk. Pop the egg yolk in there and then we're going to mix that in, and that's going to really enrich our dough. What we're going to do now is we're just going to add a small drop of water. It's all going to start coming together now in a nice dough. When it comes to the water, just add a little bit at a time because you can always put more in. You can't take it out. Probably do just a tiny dribble more. There we go, lovely. That'll really come together now. Yeah, it does, lovely. When you pull the dough apart between your hands and it looks like this, your dough's ready, and it should also come away from the bowl fairly clean. So guys, now that our dough looks like this, what we're going to do, we're going to take the cling film, just like that. We're going to wrap this up, pop it into the fridge for about half an hour to rest, ready for our amazing creation, or your amazing creation, as I probably should say. Let's put that there. So yeah guys, that's how you make a short crust pastry dough. Really quick, really simple to do, and doesn't take a lot of effort. And it tastes so much better than the store-bought stuff that you find in supermarkets these days. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, I hope you're inspired, happy cooking, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.